What if I told you that almost every millionaire started exactly where you are right now, with very little money? Look at how two different choices can lead to very different futures. Every dollar you invest can grow into something much bigger. Watch as your investments start to work for you. This is how wealth is built over time. It's not about earning a huge salary. It's about making smart financial decisions consistently. You can start your journey to wealth today. In the next part, you'll discover the first habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else. Imagine the possibilities that await you. Your future can be bright if you take action now. The first habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else is surprisingly simple. Pay yourself first. The second character automatically moves 20% of the paycheck. Animate the invested money growing. The remaining money is used for daily expenses. One person's wealth stays flat, while the investor's net worth rises. Money acts like workers that continuously earn more. Show monthly calendars flipping quickly. Now that you've learned to pay yourself first, the next step is discovering where that money should actually go to grow faster than inflation. Saving money is important, but if you only save, you're actually losing money every single year. Watch as your purchasing power diminishes. Higher gas prices and increasing price tags. Inflation quietly reduces your purchasing power. Now, let's meet someone who invests the same amount. Watch the money transform into shares and dividends. Steadily rising investment charts show growth. Saving only falls behind, while investing grows. Long-term investing has historically helped grow wealth. Now you know why investing matters. But where should beginners invest first? So where should beginners invest? The answer isn't chasing the hottest stock. It's owning a small piece of hundreds of successful companies at once. As the character invests monthly, colorful coins spread across many businesses. Diversification helps reduce the risk of relying on a single company. Consistent investing over many years has historically rewarded patient investors. Although returns are never guaranteed, but even the best investment strategy can fail if you let emotions control your decisions. In the next part, you'll learn why emotions are every investor's biggest enemy. Here's the biggest secret about investing. Most people don't lose money because they're bad at investing. They lose money because they let emotions make their decisions. Suddenly, the market falls. The character panics, selling everything. Immediately after selling, the market slowly recovers. Another calm investor continues investing every month without fear. Show the patient investor's portfolio growing steadily. Fear makes you sell. Greed makes you buy. Successful investors stay consistent, ignoring daily market noise. They focus on long-term goals instead of short-term emotions. Now that you've mastered your emotions, there's one final habit that truly separates the wealthy from everyone else. The final habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else isn't intelligence or luck. It's consistency. One constantly stops investing, tries to predict the market, and changes strategies every few months. The other quietly invests the same amount every month without missing a single payment. Animate calendars rapidly flipping through 5, 10, 20, and 30 years. The steady investor's portfolio grows from a small plant into a massive money tree. Show the other investor making emotional decisions, causing their portfolio to grow much more slowly. Display an animated graph where small, regular investments create exponential long-term growth. Wealth isn't built overnight. It is built through thousands of small, disciplined decisions. End at the main character standing confidently in front of a thriving financial future. In the final part, you'll discover the complete roadmap that can help anyone start building wealth. Start building wealth from today.